Dude, that is a cool truck. I found the guy who owns it. How are you doing, man? What's your name?
Tim Heller.
Tim Heller. This is a cool truck, dude. You got a story behind it?
Yeah, we bought it behind the guy's barn, and you know, I had a vision for lowering it, and of course I wanted to bag it, but we ended up going with John's rods out of
oh, nice.
Yeah,
dude, I like that guy.
yeah, he's a good dude, man. So we bagged it with his, and then we rebuilt the engine, put a 390 in it, had a 360. Then we just axle flipped back, put 6-inch in the back, and
that is cool.
slowly coming along.
You like your truck slammed, huh?
Yeah, I like the slam.
Yeah, that's
look,
cool.
man.
Now, what is this on your hat? I see.
So this is a CMO F100. We started a group, actually bouncing off you know.
Yeah, of course.
We wanted to start a club down there on the right below St. Louis, about an hour south of St. Louis. So we had our first show in May, and we had about 80 trucks show up. And
that's cool. Is that the flyer?
Yeah, here's the flyer. We're going to do another one next year.
Nice.
Do a swap meet on the Friday night, and then on Saturday do our meet and greet and cruise and stuff.
Cool.
So
that's awesome, man.
I hope to see everybody come out.
Yeah. So an hour south of St. Louis.
Yep, an hour north of Cape Girardeau.
There you go. Cool. All right, let's talk about the truck. So I like the yellow lights, man. This is cool.
You know, I like things a little different, so put the yellow lights on there. And we had a problem, you know, of course, knocking cams off with the lifter, so had to take the engine out 3 different times.
It's not a classic if you don't have a little bit of
right. So no, it's been a pretty fun build. We still got a few things we got to do to it.
What engine is it? Oh, 390?
390, yeah.
Nice.
Board 30 over.
I like the patch signs, dude. I want to do that.
We had a highway patrolman buddy of mine looked in there. He's like, "Hey, that says DOT. You ain't supposed to have that." I said, "You're not. You don't see that."
Yeah. So, like, how much do I pay it? No,
right. What's the ticket? I'll just pay now.
What's the price? Oh, I love the patina.
Yeah.
I know some people are just gonna call that rust, but this looks cool, man. It's the truck earned this.
Right.
You know?
It's all, you know, we didn't touch it. We put poppies on it. And works pretty good.
I like poppies.
Yeah, I was pretty happy with the turnout on the poppies.
So cool. Oh, cool. Who did the?
My buddy Dan out of.
This?
Yeah, there he is.
There he is. Okay.
He's out of Wentzville, Missouri.
Pinstriper.
Yeah, pinstriper artist. Really good dude, man.
That's cool.
Hit him up. Just got a new carpet put in the other day, and like I said, we still got a little ways to go.
That's cool, man.
We have to run the exhaust out the bed, or out the bed here. It's got the long bed.
Nice. Yeah, there's a couple John Rod drop beam stickers right there. Did you buy this truck from him?
No, I actually bought this from a guy named Chris Geck out of St. Genevieve.
I wondered if, because it kind of looks like some I've seen on his.
No, that dude's got a lot of cool stuff though.
Man, you got some cool stickers and hats. I like that.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, what's the next thing you're gonna do to your truck?
Well, we got to get a different rear end under it.
Oh, yeah.
The only thing I want to do is donuts and burnouts with it. So
me too.
Yeah.
In my black truck. I'm telling him, I'm building that truck to break.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. It's got 300 in now, and it's gutless. It's good on the highway, but nothing for burnouts and donuts. So.
Somebody told me it's not crazy close to, I think, well, Lebanon, so closer than Springfield. I think in Lebanon they have a burnout show at some shop.
Oh, really?
I don't know what that is. We need to get back to that, but I kind of want to go out there and
well, you hook it up and let me know, and we'll meet out there.
Yeah, I need to talk to the guy.
That'll work, man.
Cool to see that truck there doing some burnouts, man.
Yeah.
Well, cool. How do people find?
Oh, we're actually on. You can go to CMO F100 on Facebook.
There you go.
And then any questions, my number's on there, and just give me a holler.
There you go. There's his number. Very cool.
I hope you guys show up.
Yeah, that's cool, man. All right. Well, hey, guys, head to his show. Definitely check out his Facebook. Give it a like. And, you know, that's part of the community, posting the stuff around, getting more people addicted to these trucks. Am I right?
Yep, that's what it's all about.
All right.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Have a good one. Yep.